What's up, you guys? It's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super beginner HIIT workout. No equipment needed, so don't worry about that. But go ahead and grab your yoga mat. But before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with prisoner squats with pauses. So what you want to do is put your hands in a comfortable position, either behind your head or out in front of you. Go down into a sumo squat and then pause there. The pause is really going to help to engage those glute muscles, and when you come up, go ahead and squeeze your butt, okay? Make sure that you're keeping your back as straight as possible when you come down. We've got 3 sets of 15, so go ahead and follow along. Great job. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into our last set. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for modified half burpees. So for this one, it's a little bit challenging because you want to make sure you're keeping your balance. But what we're going to do is essentially we're going to put our hands on our mat and do a burpee, jump back, and then step forward. Try to keep your back straight when you're jumping back. We've got 3 sets of 10 of this exercise. Go ahead and take it slow. It is a little bit challenging, even though it's a beginner workout. Let's get it, guys. Great job. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into our last set. job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second break and then get ready for lateral bonds. So what you want to do is slightly bend your knees, but don't come into a squat position. We're going to jump from side to side while leaving the other foot hovering in the air. Try not to let your foot hit the floor, just let it dangle in the air. We got 3 sets of 20. This one's a quick one, it's a good cardio, so go ahead and follow along. Great job. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and let's get into our last set.
Within my brain, a cloudy sky with falling rain. I try to hide these open wounds, but can't deny they show the truth. I am broken, I'm imperfect.
Make sure you take a 10 to 15 second rest and then get ready for invisible jump rope. So just like jumping rope, we're gonna hop, boom, 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 boom. If you like to shuffle your feet back and forth, that's fine too. You can also just do it regularly. It's pretty invisible, so if you don't want to swing your arms, you don't have to even swing your arms. Totally up to you. Swinging the arms though does raise your heart rate, so it is a good cardio. We got 3 sets of 30 seconds, you guys. Go ahead and follow along. This is our last exercise, so don't give up. We're almost there. Great job. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and let's get into our last set.
These memories within my brain, a cloudy sky with falling rain. I try to hide these open wounds, but can't deny they show the truth.
And that's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this super beginner workout. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.